Yes! Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kapamilya all over the world and online world. Good evening sa inyong lahat, to all of our friends from the media and to our supporters watching online. Maraming salamat po for taking the time to be with us today. Okay, lots of things are gonna be happening for our final mission, no? Kaya kailangan natin mag-debrief. My question is, Pilipinas, kapamilya, are you guys ready? I know you can do better than that. Are you ready? Ayos! I welcome you to the media conference of Incognito, the final mission. There we go. My name is Robbie Domingo, and it is my utmost honor and privilege to be your guide for this very special mission. Isa po itong pasasalamat. Actually, more than a media conference, this is a celebration of Filipino excellence. Just like what I said a while ago, isa po itong malaking pasasalamat para sa lahat ng dumutok at sumuporta sa ating Incognito. Grabe, no? What a ride it has been. I'm sure you guys very much understand where I'm coming from the edge of your seat moments, the twists, the turns, the secrets, lahat ng yan and more, bibigyan pugay po natin ngayong gabi. Kasi just like you guys, ako rin curious. Ano pa ba yung mga mission na gagawin ng ating mga contracts? Saan ba sila pupunta? Lahat ng yan and more, hopefully, masasagot ngayong gabi. Kaya naman, hindi magiging kumpleto ang ating press conference na ito kung wala ang mga taong gabi-gabi nating sinusubaybayan at nagbibigay buhay sa istorya ng Incognito. So help me welcome on stage the cast, the creative director, business unit head, and the director of Incognito. Handa na ba kayo? Okay, we shall start with our creative manager, Sir Henry King Kithain.
Palakpakan po natin Sir Henry King Kithain. Hello. Love your outfit. We got our business unit head, Miss Des de Guzman. Very beautiful. Hi, Miss Des. Thank you so much. And of course, the captain of our ship, Direk Lester Pimentel. Wow! Hi, Direk sa meeting. We love you so much, Direk. Joining us tonight for our media con, we've got Baron Geisler, a.k.a. Miguel Gregson. I love the suit. Hi, Sir Baron. Please make your way on the stage. Tonight, we've got Kyla Estrada, a.k.a. Max Alvero. Oh, wow! What a look! Love the hair! Hi, Kyla. Okay. Joining us tonight is Anthony Jennings, a.k.a. Tomas Guerrero. Parang matching yung pants natin tsaka ano, yung turbo. Okay. And we got Gab Rivera in the form of Maris Racal. That's it. For this occasion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the one and only Mr. Daniel Padilla, Andres Malvar. Nice outfit, brother. And Mr. Richard Gutierrez, Jose Bonifacio. Again, kapamilya, kapatid, at ka-A to Z, palakpakan po natin the cast of Incognito. All right, please.
Take your seats, boss. Unfortunately, Mr. Ian Veneracion will not be with us tonight. He is currently out of the country. May ibang mission po si contractor, but all contracts are here. Okay, before we continue, maybe a quick hi, hello, mula sa ating cast crew and of course our creatives right here. Let's start with you, Miss Des. Everyone, please all rise and kneel before Miss Des.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to our finale press con. Thank you for coming.
All right, maraming salamat, Miss Des. Okay, how about you, Sir Henry King?
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at sa lahat ng nanonood online.
Ayan, Direk.
Hello, good evening everyone, and thank you for coming over and joining our finale press con.
Thanks, Direk. Sir Baron.
Hello, good evening everyone. Grateful to be here with all of you. Let's enjoy this press con.
We shall enjoy this press conference. Kyla.
Yes, good evening everybody. Of course, our friends from the press and sa lahat ng nanonood online. Thank you for taking the time out to be here with us. Napaka-exciting ng finale ng Incognito. So sana po excited din po kayo.
Super excited. Anthony.
Yes, hello po. Good evening po sa lahat na nandito and sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin online. Magandang gabi po. And yun, excited na nga kami sa finale and sa trailer namin.
How do you spell that?
Basta mamaya na lang pagka
Okay,
busy
sige.
pa.
Maris.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for coming. Hello sa mga members ng press. Tonight's gonna be good. Maraming revelations. Let's all have a good time. Thank you for coming.
We shall. Now, kapamilya, if you can just see what we are seeing right now, parang may firing squad, may battalion of press, camera right here. So exciting talaga. Daniel.
Ayun, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at syempre maraming salamat sa oras sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll. Namiss ko yun. Richard.
Good evening everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa amin mula simula ng Incognito hanggang mid-season and ngayon, of course, finale na ng Incognito. So thank you for joining us tonight. To all our friends from the media, thank you.
And thank you so much for, again, saying yes to our invitation sa lahat ng mga friends po natin from the media. And I'm sure you guys are so excited na malaman yung mga kasagutan sa mga burning questions nyo. But before we do just that, mga kapamilya, para samahan natin sila sa kanilang huling misyon, we are just so excited to present to all of you what's to come as we are nearing our finale. At pasalamat para sa inyong suporta for the first time para po sa inyo to lahat, mga pamilya. To all of the members of the press, please look at the screen sa ating mga cast, sa ating bosses. Look at the screen. And, kapamilya, enjoy this.
Sa'yo yan? Hindi. Malamang sa sundalo na lumaban pero di na nakauwi.
is where we split. Bravo team, southbound. Alpha team, northbound. Clear? Roger that. Let's do this. Cover! 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 Move out! Move out! Come on, let's move! Move out! Move out! Come on!
Sir, nililisip sila. Bakit di pa natin inahan? May mga laban na hindi dapat habulin. Mas makapangyarihan ang paghihintay.
Bibigyan natin ng hustisya ang ginawa ng Ilcano. Ang ginawa nila sa kapatid mo, ginawa nila sa airpods ko. Sa ibang kagrupo natin. Gawin natin yan.
So now, the mission is to eliminate Manuel Aguinaldo.
Yun lang pala, tapusin na natin.
This is not just an operation. This is war.
Ngayon, hindi na ako lalaban para sa akin. Lalaban ako para sa inyo. Hanggang sa sinabi ka sa
Wow! Everyone in the room, standing ovation from a table right there. Pumapalakpak para sa trailer na yun, sa teaser na yun. Grabe! Grabe talaga. And actually, for all the people watching online and sa lahat ng mga friends po natin from the media, this is the first time na napanood po ng cast itong final trailer na po na ito. Grabe, no? Figuratively, literally, pasabog kung pasabog. As if you asked, as if they said, you want action? We'll give you action. Sobrang talagang, mind-blowing. What can you say about that trailer? Let's ask Richard first. Your thoughts?
Ngayon ko lang din napanood yung trailer. Congrats to the team. Congrats everyone. The hard work paid off. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng trailer. Wala akong masabi. I'm proud of our team. And maraming salamat, of course, sa lahat ng mga taga-Marawi na nag-welcome sa amin doon. So, yeah.
Napakaganda talaga. How about you, Deech?
Masaya pero siyempre nakakalungkot din. Dahil alam natin na huli na yun eh. Di ba? Nakakamiss lang and still very excited and nakakabitin.
For now. For now. Kasi iba yung tingin ni Miss Des. Sabi ni Miss Des, anong for now? Okay, Miss Des, baka mamaya may magtanong ng upcoming brand new season, no? Pero with all regards to the question, simulan na natin ang ating Q&A. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's start with, again, Richard. Richard, out of all the missions, ang daming nangyari. Ano ba yung pinaka-paborito mong mission?
Ako, hindi ko masabi kung ano yung pinaka-paborito kong mission kasi every mission talagang pinaghirapan namin, naging exciting na experience for everyone. And every mission, habang tumatagal, mas nagiging close yung buong grupo. Not only the actors, but also the production. And mas nagagamay namin yung isa't isa. And ito sa finale, I think dito talaga nagbunga lahat ng mga, kumbaga lahat ng buwelo ng grupo namin. Dito namin na ibuhos, dito namin na ibigay. So, you know, bittersweet yung finale namin. You know, I think it's mag-enjoy yung mga audience natin sa finale, but also nakakalungkot dahil ito na yung huli for season 1.
Actually, it's so great that you've mentioned na grabe yung samahan na nabuo, not just on screen, no? Pero lahat ng mga cast, even the crew, the creatives, isang hindi lang pamilya, brotherhood ang nangyari dito sa Incognito. I was talking to Baron kanina. I had that opportunity. At may rule kayo dito sa cast, di ba? Bawal ang... Baron, can you say that?
Bawal ang slow, bawal ang tanga.
Oh. It's okay. We're online. We're online. Okay. Can you expound on that? Bawal ang yung sinabi mo?
Kasi, syempre, it was my first time to work with, amazing professional stars.
Thank you.
So, yung first, sa Palawan pa lang, everybody knew the script, everybody knew their lines, and I was like, oh, wow. I was on my toes. So, nireview ko lang yung script once. Nung nakita kong alam nila yung mangyayari and they give suggestions also na mas mapaganda yung show and yung story, sabi ko, bumalik ako sa kwarto, binasa ko ng mga 4 times para makasabay. But yeah, so ang laki ng growth ko as an actor working with these talented people, and yung crew and yung staff, everyone.
That's so great to hear. Thank you.